Do you know that the Philippines is the second largest exporter of bananas in the world? That's next to Ecuador. Last year alone, we sent 2.9 metric tons of bananas in our neighboring countries like Japan and China. In this video, I'll present to you the top 5 bananas in the Philippines. The first one is Cavendish. This is the most common banana worldwide and exported in huge quantities. It is sweet, creamy flesh, and eaten raw. It is greenish to pale yellow in color. Our number 2 banana is Saba. Large, thick-skinned banana, very starchy. This variety is very popular because it is usually cooked for snacks like banana Q and turon. It can also be boiled or eaten raw in other provinces. Our number 3 banana is called Señorita. It is the smallest in the group and it's very sweet. The flesh is pale orange in color. Our number 4 banana is called Lakatan. It looks like Cavendish but it is smaller. It is bright yellow in color and the flesh is pale orange when ripe. The taste is sweeter compared to Cavendish. Number 5 in our list is called Latundan. This one is shorter and rounder in shape compared to Lakatan and is bigger to Señorita. There goes our top 5 bananas in the Philippines. So when you come and visit the country, you better try all.